Hello everyone, welcome to Timlo's channel, and today in this video I will show you how to fix error code 128. So before starting video, if you are new in this video, then hit subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix this error, first of all go to start menu and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. So after completing all this, now restart your PC and hope so your error is fixed. So that's all for today's video, and if you like this video then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.